sabi pa ng asawa ko, maghanap daw ako ng card. How about my wiggle kiggle?
Puppets.
Hi guys, good morning. Binalik ko lang itong sinuot ko kasi katatapos ko lang na Lego. I was vacuuming downstairs, talking to my sister, and I was talking to my sister this morning. So nagpaplano akong pumunta sa Target guys kasi I went to Walmart the other day. Wala silang bahambag na shirt for Tommy and I want you know, Christmas shirt. So kita-kits guys sa baba kasi mag-ano lang ako, manonood ng vlog. Aha, good boy. Kumakain ka ng dry food. Good boy. Hindi palaging may treats. Ano ba to? Yung attire ko ba? Parang nakakatawa tignan. This, and then the bag. Ay, naku, mura kong sikuan ba? Kunsing, oy. Ginoo ko. Tignan natin yung attire ko. Ay, okay naman. Bahala na sa Batman. Okay, I'll be right back. Kapag palagi akong magsabi ng I'll be right back, si Roxy talaga na lonely. Lonely table just for one. I need to wear a real coat.
In someone else's arms. I've been trying my best to get along.
Okay, well, I'm in the car now.
Okay, Frankie's going to be there with his little kid, so if you see something, you know how old this kid is from Thanksgiving, so if you see something that's, you know, inexpensive and appropriate for a kid that age, just pick something up. And if we don't have wrapping paper in the house, you got to roll the wrapping paper.
We have a lot here.
Okay, so then just... Yeah,
wait, did you talk to Andrea?
No, but, Mom said Frankie's going to be there, so... we agreed that the only thing we're giving is for the kids. And Thomas is not going to be there, so I can worry about Thomas next week, but Frankie is. So I don't want to feel like he didn't get anything.
In the home. Oh, Ashley is in the front yard. That cute dog. Anyway guys, so I will see you in the store. And yun lang guys, so maghanap ako ng laruan ng bata. Mga 2 years old ata yung bata or 3. So yun, hanapan ko lang ng laruan. Maghanap ako ng card para kay Tommy guys. Nandito na ako. Hanap lang ako ng card kasi wala sila masyadong card dito guys. So yung Christmas ano lang nila is andito lang. Yung section nila dito. So, hanap lang tayo. May nakuha na akong dalawa guys. So dalawa lang yung nakuha ko. And also, sabi pa ng asawa ko, maghanap daw ako ng card assorted. Pero wala akong nakita. Wala akong nakita. So, hanap tayo. Ilang Christmas assorted card, guys. Wala talaga as in. Okay, this time, hanap tayo ng laruan. Kasi wala ako. Kasi hanapan ko yung laruan yung bata. Ito, guys. Kunin ko lang ito, I think. Hindi ko alam, pero parang puzzle man ito. Sana meron silang sweater kasi yun talaga yung hinahanap ko, yung bahambag na sweater na yan. Gusto ko to. Tignan nyo naman. I like it. Tignan natin yung presyo. 31 bucks. Mahal naman eh.
I have no place to go, so render my heart.
Na ako dito sa Target guys na grocery, and then wala akong nakitang sweater guys, as in wala silang ka-sweater na bahambag or a regular sweater naman lang, wala talaga sila. Tammy, diba Tammy, sabi ni Tammy gusto niya ng assorted Christmas card, wala din sila, as in very limited. Pumili lang ako ng cards, 2 cards for Tammy, and so yun lang. Nabili ko lang yung sa bata, laruan sa bata at saka laruan ng mga Ashokyu. So ito yung nabili ko. I know, pang bata talaga ito. Ito din, nabili ko para sa upstairs bathroom. This is 14 something. It's 15 bucks ito para sa bathroom doon sa taas pa. This is Dada's gift for you guys. Then ito yung family size chewy chocolate cookies. Ilagay ko siya sa jar. At saka 2 klase ng Oreo. This is the chocolate sandwich cookie. Yun. And ito is the mint. Yung gusto ko. Mint. Yan. Okay, I got the cards for Tammy. And this is the only one. It's not assorted. And also, I found the bean basil. Bean basil. Dalhin ko ito bukas to my sister-in-law's house. And we play this in there. Okay, yun lang siya guys. I'm really sad that there's no eyeliner here. Oh, it's right here. Thank goodness it's right here. There you go guys. Tapos na guys. I'm so happy with this. Tignan nyo. Tignan nyo. Yay! My cookie jar. My cookie jar na ako. So people is gonna have snacks every time they come in here. Yay! Si Bahambagan. You're coming here, right, B-boy?
Yeah.
He's out from work, guys. He's coming here. He's driving from work. No traffic?
There's traffic, but not crazy.
Magsira kasi yung kapitbahay namin palaging andun sa backyard namin. I mean, always palagi siyang doon siya naglalakad ba patungo. Iwan ko kung bakit sa backyard namin. So i-close natin yan baka anong sabihin niya. Kulang. Anyway, Wendy texted me. Kilala niyo si Wendy guys. Yung previous viewer ko, yung old viewer ko, kilala ata niyo si Wendy. Yung kaibigan ko na pumunta sa Texas. Nagtisok Texas yun dun guys. Huh? Anyway, so we just katatapos lang namin nag-usap at saka nag-usap-usap yung dalawa guys. Ang gagawin ko is I'm going to cook my pasta guys. Oh my god, I love this. Yung TV malakas kasi I'm watching also 90 Days Fiancé. Nanonood ako ng 90 Days Fiancé guys, and it's getting more excited this time. Because kasi yung mga partner nila andito na sa US. And lagyan ko muna ito ng tubig. Tubig pa more! Tubig pa more! So, nanonood ako ng fiancé kapag, alam nyo guys, kapag andito kayo at saka naka-try kayo ng 90 days fiancé. Yung fiancé ba 90 days? Diba 90 days lang dapat pakasalan ka na. Doon na mag-start yung mga problema, mga family problem, kung anong ayaw mo, kung anong ayaw niya, ganyan. Doon na mag-start. So yun, nanonood lang ako guys, and it's getting more excited because I can relate everything. Relate when I got here. Anyway, so tawagan ko lang yung asawa ko guys. Oy, 5:44 or I will text him. Nako, ganito magkahirap, magkalisod. So kunin ko lang is like half because yun naman ang ano, kamutin ko na lang siya, kamayin ba, kamayin. Hindi ko alam, nakalimutan ko na. I think it's like 10 minutes ang ano nito. I think 10 minutes lang. Finally, tapos na guys. Yan. And chicken later with Tommy. And ito. I-continue ko lang siya i-heat later para ito na lang yung vegetables namin. You waiting for Dada. Dada will be here very soon. Yeah, he will be here. And you, yes, I knew Dada came in that way. Oh, no, 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 not yet. Oh my God. Not yet. I said, well, they will be here. Hey, Roxy.
Is still bothered by the fight and breakup.
Dada's He's excited. We don't know if Dada closed the garage because if Dada doesn't close the garage yet, that means you cannot go out. Oh, Dada. Dada, baby. Oh, Dada. Let me see, let me see. Let me see if it's open. Close. Is it closed? They don't know what to... Honey, look at this two, hon. You're ignoring them. Honey, she cry, hon. She's shaking, oh. She's shaking, baby.
Don't be calling my butt.
Happy to see Dada now? Are you guys happy to see Dada? Seriously?
It depends what he brings.
What Dada bring?
What did he bring us?
They're following. Honey, they're behind you. Tignan nyo guys kung ano yung ginagawa ng asawa ko guys. And look what Hub's doing. Hubsy Bug, what are you doing, little man? Yun yan siya. Tignan lang natin guys kung ano gagawin. Oh, God bless you, little man.
Sneezy, sneezy. Really very impressed with this.
Yeah, because you spend like, how much is that? 40 bucks?
14.
Oh. Tignan natin kung ano yung ano niya sa window. Pa-movie-movie. Tignan natin. Ay, nako. Tignan nyo naman. Sinong manunood? Hindi ito. Hindi nga clear. It's not even clear. Sinong nanonood? Wala. Walang nanonood. Walang nanonood. Hi guys. Nanonood ba kayo guys? Ito kasala. Nawala. Nawala. Let's go inside kasi maginaw. Sobrang ginaw. Ay, 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 ay. Hi guys. Madilim dito guys kasi yung ano ni Tommy dun oh. Christmas. Ano. 14 bucks daw yun sabi niya. Okay naman siya guys. Pero no, it's like really. Yeah, it's worth a try. But you know what? It's already almost done.
It doesn't matter because you have it for other years. It was on sale. It was worth a try. If it was any good, then it'd be good.
Okay.
That's my big side.
Yeah. It's like people outside. There's a lot of people outside watching.
Who's watching?
Did nothing because I'm just being ridiculous and there's no one to watch. We're not in the city. We're in the freaking mountain. Who watched it? I really don't want these things. You cannot put it back, man.
No, it seemed like it may be leaking.
Okay. Look at your cereal. I can eat it without milk. It's like you can just do like this.
Lucky Charms, is that what's in there?
Yeah.
And the spaghetti and yellow.
Yeah.
You like those containers?
I do. I wanna get more for my other one, and I wanna use this for the extra coffee that we have left. Like if we pour something over there, and then it's still left in the bag, I will put that, but not over here. I will put that like storage. He's a Scotch person, guys.
Yuppie.
I don't like it. He started drinking the beer. I started worried about it. Look, that's what happened. That's what happened, Dips.
I don't think she touched it. I think you just fell.
I know because the one this one.
I did nothing. I'm just standing here thinking.
Cannot do that. Wait.
Oh, it is. Ages 2 to 4. Okay.
What?
Oh, no. Ages 4 plus. That's for anybody over 4.
So what? He can. That kid is so smart than anybody, Han. I'm telling you. He's 3 years old.
Cute caterpillars with hands and feet to spare. You place your colored marbles from his bottom
and then do the
all the
music.
way up to the top as he wiggles and spins in the
Yeah.
music. He'll try to knock off your marbles. If he does, just pick them up and keep trying.
How about my wiggle giggle? Giggle giggle.
That's your wiggle
Wiggle,
giggle over
giggle.
there. It's always wiggling and giggling. Puppets.
Tush ang tush na yung tip. No playing with the
She
oyote.
barked without a mouth going. She went like this. Nothing came out.
Yeah, nothing. He does that a lot.
Nothing. Because your mom don't let you bark, so you have
Does
to
it?
like hold that.
He's like he cannot talk. Roxy, you talk too much.
Give me the ducky. Go on, go get the ducky. Give me the ducky. I get my ducky. My ducky, thank you.
He's following you. Hello.
What?
It's not in your hand, but it's on top.
The ducky?
He's confused. She's confused. Dimples looking at your whatever you put in the window. Look at it. Look at her position and look. She's gonna go over there and check it. Dimples looking at the window, guys, like curious what the heck is going on. Like she walked very slow, han.
Dimbaloo.
Lumpulut.
Dimbaloo.
Is where your bag? Find your bag.
He's hanging. He's hanging. Hello, hangy bug.
Still there?
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm going to end this vlog with my baby.
Hi, guys.
Good night, guys. Merry Christmas,
Wanna look like
belated.
help?
No, it's a belated Merry Christmas. Bye bye.
Early Merry Christmas. Oh,
Belated,
belated
because
in the
this is gonna be
Philippines.
this is gonna be
In the
late.
Philippines,
And this is
Merry
gonna be late
Christmas.
upload.
In the U.S., Merry Christmas Eve.
But this one uploaded, guys, late. So
yeah.
yeah, belated.
Like Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Bye guys. Good night, guys. Bye bye.
Rockabye, rockabye, rockabye.